For rent, 2 bed, 1 bath, $2,000. MotoBros and girls, welcome back to another video. Alright, so today we're gonna go exploring. We're gonna be looking at some different areas because we have an upcoming video that you guys have been asking for a little while. It's gonna be pretty dope, man, pretty dope. But gotta do a little bit of reconnaissance to find a good spot to do it. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm so afraid of scraping, dude. I can feel it, like I can feel how close my foot is to the ground. I'm so afraid to like catch my foot and just rip me off the bike. Still gotta get used to that. Yeah. Also, while we're cruising, I wanted to bring something up to you guys. So I was going over some of the analytics and I was a little surprised because we've been doing pretty well and we're very, very grateful for that. Sorry, English is hard. And you know, we're glad you guys are enjoying the content and stuff, but I can't help but notice that a majority of our viewership is not subscribed, and we're just kind of wondering what's up with that, man. What's up with that? It's free. It's free 99, I promise. Free 99. Just do us a favor and smash that subscribe button, man. We are climbing and we're after that 1,000 sub goal, man, and we're so close. So we're just asking a little favor from you guys. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. I promise you it's free. We won't come after you. We won't blow up your phone number like you know, debt collectors. None of that stuff, man. Just legit free 99, free entertainment for you. All you gotta do is press a button. So do us a favor and subscribe. But yeah, I just thought I'd throw that in there. I noticed it for a while that we had a substantial amount of people watching the videos that weren't subscribed. So we got some good stuff coming. Yeah, it's crazy, man. Like, you don't go on these roads for a long time, and then when you do, you realize how shitty they got. Oh Jesus. Oh. Should probably test these roads before I smash on them. Just smash my nuts. Oh cone. Shit. I'm glad I looked over. I wasn't paying attention. Ooh, speed wobble. Ooh. Dip. Oh shit. Oh, I did a wheelie. Oh shit! Oh, oh, it scared the shit out. I wasn't expecting that second one. Oh, the first one I was somewhat prepared for, but that second one, dude, that was steep. I'm sure it doesn't show on camera, but that scared the shit out of me. I want to do it again. Yeah, I want to try that again now that I'm somewhat prepared for it. Yeah, that first one, the front tire lifted up. Morty, I'm scared. Ah! It's not that. Oh god! Oh shit! Oh, I just jumped that bitch. For rent, 2 bed, 1 bath, $2,000. Decline. Yeah, it is, obviously. Oh, gross. Yeah, there's like spiders and shit in there, probably scabies, like it's all pushed out on the side. Well, if anybody needs a place to stay, there you go, $2,000. That's funny. The shit you come across when you explore. It's so nerve-wracking. I don't know why. It's like a roller coaster. Ah! This one. Ah! Oh man. Yeah, that's wild. I wish you guys could feel that. That feels crazy. Yeah, probably. They're like freaking. Looks like we can only go one way. Man, I so badly want like an Africa Twin or like a Grom or something to just go like mess around. Ooh, let's go this way. Mess around with and just do dumb shit. I think I've been up this road before from for work. About to piss off all these people. So yeah, 25. So double that, right? To explore more often. Some dope places. Oh shit, stop sign. Ah! Yeah, for real. This one? Is that even a road? I think it's like a private driveway. Oh, Mile High Road. Not a through street. All right, we'll go down then. Ooh. I'm scared of what's just gonna pop out of the freaking corner. Yeah, squirrel. This is sick. I want to live on a street like this. I'm afraid a car is just gonna pop out of the corner. Little slippery. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little slippery there. I don't like how narrow it is though. Aw, little goats. Man, good on you guys for telling us to go explore. Oh, truck. Damn, I wonder where this goes. Oh, oh. Wow. This is sick. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, I wonder where this goes, man. Looks like there's a fire. Oh! See all the crispiness? It's all the way down the mountain, too. So this is where one of those big fires were. Dang, bro. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but I'm sure you can see these first ones here, but it goes all the way down the hill. Dang. Man, I bet these people were shitting bricks. Look, this whole orchard here, and no trespassing. All right, we gotta turn around. Be respectful. That's crazy, dude. Yeah, look, it started going all the way up that hill. So I wonder what side it started on. It almost seems like it started down here and went down, but that's crazy. See if I could get a better view for you guys. Look at those tall trees all just burnt to a crisp. That's crazy. That's so random. Look at it, there's like a little chill spot there, but in the middle of nowhere. See, it'd be so sick to have like an enduro or something. Freaking just go mobbing through all this stuff. And look at that view. That's sick, bro. It's a pretty dope. Look at that. Man, I bet this looks so good like during like spring and, well, pretty much any time besides summer, because now it's all just dead, but that's sick. Hello, goats. What's up, goats? Oh, geez. That seems so much tighter this coming down than it did up. Yeah, this... Yeah. Yeah, get some shade out of this freaking scorching sun, man. Oh. Need to give the whole family Jules some breathing. Sweet. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Ow, ow. Man, what happened to these? Oh god, these roads, they were so good before. Hasn't been that long.